Welcome to the Hooters Car Show.
Hi, my name is Ralph Durham. This is my 68 Mercury Cougar. I've had it about 11 years. I bought it from Bristol, Tennessee. I bought it for $6,000 from a Pentecostal preacher. So he was a pretty honest man. It's a good solid shell. I redid the whole thing. Redid the motor. It's a 302 Dan Gurney special. It's got a 500 lift cam, 4-speed, 8-inch rear end, 456 gears, posi. I got a 355, which is a quick change for cruising around. I've redid the whole interior. It was gold, dry rotted. I relaced everything with Monaga hide black. Kind of got that leather look. It's really durable. And overall, it's just a good, solid car. It'll drive anywhere. I drive it across the country. I drive it to Kentucky, back to Tennessee. And overall, it's just a wise investment. You know, right now I got like 25 grand in it. Might be looking to sell it one day. Best offer, near 25 would take it.
Cool. Cool. Any planned upgrades on it?
I did quite a few upgrades. I got electronic ignition. It had a point distributor. Really, it's just like a nostalgic thing. I'm not planning on doing no high performance or fuel injection upgrading. I run a 780 Holly on it, so.
Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.
Live from U.S. Classic Muscle Cars.